Alright, people.
I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light, with that Harley bike, all black, I'm the party type, and it's on tonight, I just stepped in the way.
Today's weather, it's not the best. It's really cloudy out, and I was just gonna get some groceries, so I thought I'd take you guys with me. And maybe on the way I could practice my wheelies, eh? I have to say I'm getting a little bit good at it. I mean, I'm getting comfortable with the idea of just getting the front end up. That's the main part though. I still need to chase out the wheelie or switch gears in between, so I'm not good at that part, but I'm getting good at getting the wheel up, which is, I guess it's good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna practice it in this long road here, because it's got a little bit of incline, and so it's easier to wheelie on uphills. I have that much experience from riding mountain bikes, so I'm not completely aloof to the idea of wheeling. Alright, I'm gonna take a turn here, and then we're gonna practice some wheelies. Hopefully there's no cops around. Very bad at it, very bad. So anyways, right now I'm going to get some groceries, and that's about it. Nothing else to do today. I have my exams coming, so I'm gonna get back home and study for a little while. But that's the thing, every time I go to get some groceries, I practice my wheelies. Just a few minutes. I'm not getting really good at it from practicing for a few minutes, but every time I get a little bit more feel of the wheelie. So that's good, I guess. Okay, there's two ways I could go right now. I could go straight up, which is pretty crowded. It's almost used. Cars are always traveling that road, or I could take this one. This one is the less traveled one. See how quiet it is? Oh fucking hell, I hate traffic lights, man. So much time is wasted when you... The thing is, when people cross the road, you have to stop here. god, we're almost there. This is it. So I'm just gonna grab a bunch of stuff and then I'm gonna see you guys. Honestly, I don't know if anyone checks it here, and I don't know if they even check the ticket, but I get it anyways. Alright guys, I've got my stuff. Now all I need to do is put it in this thing. I know a lot of people think that why do you have that stupid thing on your bike? It looks so fucking ridiculous. But it's not, it gets the job done, man. I can fit so many things in there. It's amazing. This thing is literally a lifesaver. This isn't even all the things that I could fit in there. Sometimes I get so many things all at once and I can fit it in there. See? And that's it. Put it in there, get my money back. And that's it, we're done. What I really love about this bike is the fucking sound from the exhaust. And you guys will know in a minute why. It is a head turner. Every time I turn it on, fucking people turn their heads. See? See? It's crazy. I'm gonna take the same road that I came in, and hopefully we can pop a few wheelies or try to on the way back. And that's gonna be it for today. The vlog is gonna end. I can't help it. I can't help not trying to wheelie a bike. My goal right now is at least get to 100 meters. At least wheelie for 100 meters. That would be dope. I'd have to filter some lines here, right? Because technically you can't do that when you're on a bike. You can't filter lines like that. Just like that. Alright, that's it guys. I'm almost home. So we're gonna have to end the vlog right here. And I'll see you guys next time.